Welcome to this brief overview of templates in Snow Optimizer for SAP software. As a starting point for creating objects, Snow Optimizer for SAP software has templates for the most common objects like rules, aggregation schemes, or products. The templates are predefined and delivered with the software package. They are automatically updated and installed in the background after a new installation or update. You can show an overview of all the templates installed in the Template Manager. To open the Template Manager, select Administration and Template Manager in the menu. If necessary, you can install the templates manually by selecting the Install Templates button. Please note that you must install all templates at once to avoid inconsistencies due to dependencies between template objects. Selected checkboxes indicate when templates are installed and ready to use. You can use the templates as they are or use them to create new objects. As shown here as an example in the overview of local rules, you can identify templates in a list of entries by the selected template checkbox. In an object detail view, you can identify templates by the template icon. Please note that you cannot edit the delivered templates. To change a template, create a copy. In addition to the standard templates included, there are optional license intelligence templates. With license intelligence templates, you can simplify the implementation, gain better insights into your license inventory, and use Snow Optimizer for SAP software more efficiently. License intelligence templates include rule set, and usage profile templates for ECC, S/4HANA, and S/4HANA Cloud FUE licenses. You can customize these templates for individual use based on your specific contractual SAP license agreements. Please note that you must install license intelligence templates manually using the Template Manager. We recommend running the license intelligence rule sets at least once a quarter, since they cover a 90-day period in the past. License intelligence templates are continuously updated and expanded to cover all necessary use cases. You can purchase them for an additional fee and request them in the Flexera support portal. Please note that license intelligence templates and their copies are only available in Snow Optimizer for SAP software as long as you have the appropriate license. For more information, refer to our product documentation.